Boy, we're just like around 2 minutes. Moy, why? I think so, because we stopped. It's the red light.
We're gonna pick some fruits, but I forgot what it's called. Hi everybody. Today I'm going to pick some fruits. I'm gonna be honey crisp and apple and blackberry. I'm gonna meet my friend Mihaela. See ya. I didn't know this is the place because I'm gonna have fun in there in the park. They just arrived when we arrived.
Yeah.
Do something like a tiki tiki tiki. I love watching him laugh.
We're here, boy boy. Who's the good boy? Proud of you, boy boy. Oh, bless you.
Hello. Hi. Mihaela. Go. Dito na.
Para malapit lang.
There's a lot. This one. This. Go.
Oh, that just fell off.
Oh.
Wait, we picked apples before?
Yeah, we did.
Wait, let me see this. Is this
nice and clean? Yeah, twist.
okay? All good and clean. Good.
Check if there's no
What?
damage.
Nope damage. This is a little dirty, but
That's fine.
okay.
Look at the little girl going ahead. Wow.
It's a little heavy now.
It's a little heavy.
Any damage? Check this one. Everything good?
Pick only the black ones. The dark and dull ones are kind of more of the sweeter, and then your shiny, all black ones are a tart flavor. Questions, guys?
No, we're good.
Thank you so much.
Naka-stain lang yung kanyang ano. So,
Nice.
ay galing.
Don't get anything with red.
Berries na lang.
Ay, may iba pa man na malalaki. Oh, you're giving it to daddy, ate? Parang. Show me, ate. Stop. Look at me. So cute. Hi, hi. Hi. Violet, sir. Yes. Ang fathers ang harvester. Yummy. Yay! Congratulations. Yay! Show me. Nice harvest. Good job.
Yes.
Sit right there.
Okay.
100% steering wheel.
Mm-hmm.
Move.
Gung, 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 gung. It's moving.
Daddy, come.
I'm driving. Ring, 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 ring. We're here.
Stretch.
Yay!
How to smell your armpit?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Hello, so free. Hello.
First time feeding a rabbit. Aww.
The big goal.
Wait, what is Yahtzee?
They want food, see? See? Kasi this one like that. You have to roll it.
What did they eat?
Kyo, you have to roll this one. Kyo.
May food automatic naglaba?
I don't know. Tinan mo, hingi siya ng food.
Try to put it there.
Hi.
And let's try this.
They both fit. Get in.
Doesn't work.
Bunny.
Rabbit.
Aww. You're so cute.
Nag-iisip nga, inaano kasi ang kamay niya. Eh, no.
Ha! I don't want to touch it.
Rabbit.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Who is it?
Who is it? It's Mihaila. Windmill. Wow, so relaxed feeling.
Swan or duck?
Duck. good, Kelsey Lou? Yeah. Hello. It's a cow. It's a cow.